Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. I will be attending to one of the messages which I got in my DM asking about the best setup for a swing trading strategy. Okay, so we'll be checking that out right away using this chart. Okay, so that will also depend on what we want to achieve at the end of the day. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, do your own personal research to know more about it, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said, we will be checking out a particular setup for swing trading. Actually, swing trading, you can use different setup with it, and of course it just has to do with you sell when the market is selling to the end of the trend, then you also buy when it is buying to the very end of the trend. Okay, so you need to have a special skill before you can do this. Okay, you can do this on higher time frame, and you can also try and do it on lower time frame. Okay, so this also depends on what you want to achieve and how fast you want to get your signals. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so however, it is always important, above all, let me use that. Okay, above all, it is always important you know your trend. Okay, when you are very sure of your trend, then definitely you will be able to say specifically where the market is going to, and of course you will be you will be able to follow up with the trend in order for you to make the market successfully. But if you don't know any of these, then definitely you will be getting it wrong. Okay, however, in order for you to get it right, I will be using a simple setup which I will be showing you right away. Okay guys, this is the setup that we'll be checking out, and of course we're going to see how it works. Okay, so right from this support zone, like I've always been telling you, at the lower parts of the charts like this, we always have a major support zone around there, and at the upper part we always have a major resistance zone around there. However, we do have minor resistance and support zone in between these two major ones. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so once you have this at the back of your mind, then you should know that when a chart, when a market is moving towards a major support zone, then we are most likely to have a change in direction of the trend, and of course it can also break out below the support zone. These are the two major results that we can experience. Okay, so if it breaks out below the support zone, it means it will keep on selling. Okay, and of course if it does not breaks out, if it does not break out below the support zone, then definitely it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so the same thing is applicable to the resistance zone. Okay, the major resistance zone, it's either it breaks out above or it's changed the direction of the trend. Okay, if it's changed the direction of the trend, it goes into a sell, but if it breaks out above it, then it keeps on buying. Okay, so these are some of the things that you should look out for. Okay, so at this stage it got to the support zone, but it was unable to go further. So we had a buy signal around there. You can see even though it is a spiky part of this particular setup or of this particular asset, but at least it has given us an opportunity to come in. Okay, so it spiked up. Let's say we even decide to come in around there. It came down a bit, which put us in negative, but went back up again to give us, to put us in profit. Okay, since it didn't get to the stop loss, because our stop loss will be somewhere here. Since it didn't get to the stop loss, then to keep on buying and buying right from there. You can see it kept on buying, spiked up till it got to this region, and of course went up till 2 year, and of course came down a bit, went back up again. This time around broke out from the last high, and of course at this stage you should always adjust your stop loss. Okay, adjust your stop loss to lock up some part of the profit to 50%. Okay, adjust it to 50, in short 60%. Okay, so this is cool. Okay, this also spike up again, and of course you still adjust your stop loss to lock up about 70% of your profit, and it spiked up, came down. You can see it came down till it got to this region, and of course went back up again. So this time around it should tighten up. Okay, at least you should be keeping about 80% of the profit. Okay, you can see your profit from here to here. That's huge, guys, that's huge. Okay, so this actually got to the resistance zone, which is around here, and of course you should also lock up 80% of the profit, at least to see if it will break out above the resistance zone or not. Okay, but it does not, and of course it came down and it's your stop loss. At this stage you will be taken out of the market, and the profit between here and here will be in your balance. Okay, so once immediately it gets to your stop loss and you're taken out of the market, you reanalyze the market again to see if you can go for a sell trend. Okay, so that is very, very important. We got a red dotted line around here, which means that the market is about to go on downtrend, and we got the magenta colored shape here, and which means that it's a sell signal. So if we decide to come in around here for a sell, okay, let's say we place an order for a sell around here, we can put our stop loss at the top here. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this actually got to this region. Check it out. It got to this region, went back up again because of the spikes, and of course put our order in negative, but went down again to give us more profit. At this stage you should adjust the stop loss again to somewhere keeping about 30%. This time around we need to be very careful because of the spikes. Okay, when we're doing it the other way around, we are a bit safe because there is no spike going against us, but this time around spike can go against us, so we need to be very careful here. So in order for us to calculate the profit margin that we are locking up for ourselves. Okay, but this is still going down. It has gotten to this region. We just need to break out from this support zone. Immediately it breaks out from here, then definitely it's going to sell more. So at this stage I will expect you to lock up about 40% of your profit or 50% of your profit at this stage. In case anything happens, it will only take you out of the market in profits. Okay, so that is it. The trade is still going, and to keep on going, we expect it to get to the support zone, which is going to be somewhere here, a major support zone, which is so going to be somewhere here, and of course we just need it to break out from here. Once it breaks out from this minor support zone, then definitely it may likely get to this region. Okay, so this is very, very important, so that way you can milk the market more. So this trade is still going, so you can check out with it and see how you can take advantage of the opportunity and milk the market. Of course, for those of you who are having the trading tool, I don't think you have any issue with this because you should be in the trade right now. Okay, so this is very, very important. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.